This is the question I get in my treatment room. Does it work? And because it's so hot on TikTok right now.
It's kind of like supercharging or is a battery pack and charging the battery on our skin cells.
A lot of them on Amazon are not strong enough to actually see real results. Go buy one, but let me send you the right one to buy. Welcome back to the AA Skin Based Pod. I'm your host, Lena, licensed esthetician, and today I have Georgia
Davenport, licensed esthetician.
Kristen Sanborn, licensed esthetician.
You need to say that again?
Kristen Sanborn, licensed esthetician. Did I do it
The
right?
first time esthetician didn't come out good.
That's a hard word to say.
I stuttered on mine. I was like,
my tongue twists on that one all the time.
All right, we have Mr.
Eric Sanborn, licensed massage therapist.
And you may know something a little bit different today. We have red and blue because we're talking about LED light therapy. Okay, so what is LED light therapy?
You have pain in your neck and shoulders? Don't chase the symptoms. Come see me, Eric Sanborn, licensed massage therapist. My targeted body works will definitely help out with correcting the issue in that neck and shoulders. We don't go chasing symptoms all over the place. We just focus in on the area that's needed. My deep tissue work is designed to break up muscle knots and to relieve nerve pain. We don't use lotions and oils. We keep the clothing on, and we just focus in on the areas that are needed. So book your session and let's get to work. Link is in the description.
Okay, so what is LED light therapy and what's it for?
Do you want me to answer this?
Yeah.
Okay. This has been a big topic in my treatment room. I think everybody else's treatment rooms is because of all of the buzz about red light therapy. I absolutely love red light therapy. Think of it as, okay, here's my analogies. When you have a flower that when the sun comes out, the flower opens up. And then when the sun goes back down, the flower closes. That's a lot of what red light therapy does. It signals to our cells to start working, to start their jobs. It's kind of like supercharging or is a battery pack and charging the battery on our skin cells.
You know what? That's really good, actually. I didn't think about that.
I didn't think of that either.
That's what I'm here for. It's all my analogies.
Okay, so how LED light works, it uses wavelengths and wattages, and it penetrates the skin at different depths. It signals, like Kristen said, the cells to activate and go work. So this is the question I get in my treatment room. Does it work? Like, is it real?
Almost every client.
Yeah. Because it's so hot on TikTok right now. I think it's TikTok where I see all of it, where everyone's like talking about their morning sheds and stuff that we talked about last month. And they've got the LED lights and stuff. Yes.
It can be. It also, if depending on which one you're using, you could just be playing with Christmas lights. And I think that's where the misconception of is it actually working?
Well, I think first of all, we need to know it's working with our own biology.
Yes.
And our biology is constantly doing its thing. And so in order for this to work, it has to be a consistent use. We use Soluma, which are really more clinical LED light therapy devices in clinic. But to get the most out of it, you need to be doing this a couple times a week. And so it's just continuing to promote and to encourage and to work on that regenerative process in our skin. And yes, it does work. It calms redness. It helps with acne when you're using
bacteria.
The blue and even the red lights. It helps to kill bacteria. It does work, but you have to be consistent and you have to use it.
Use the right product.
Yes,
or use the right product.
Device. And
well, and I mean, we use it in our treatment room, but every time someone's like interested, I'm like, yes, go buy one, but let me send you the right one to buy because a lot of them on Amazon are not strong enough to actually see real results. But you'll see the best results when you do it every day for 15 to 30 minutes a day is like when you get the best.
And each device, depending upon the strength of the device, the amount of LEDs they have in the device is the time, the usage. And so whenever you need to make sure you follow the manufacturer recommendations for the device because a lot of devices are different. And I'm going to just be honest, if you're not paying a minimum of $300 to $400 for your device, it's not going to have the right settings. It's not going to be effective.
But I'd rather you spend that instead of spending half the amount and then also your time using it every day and not getting results because
Yes.
you're not getting results.
What's the one I recommend the most, though, is a wearable one.
Yes.
Yes.
I love our Saluma, but I like the wearable ones, like, for every day, because you can literally strap it on. And I think they have little battery packs.
Yeah, they
so
do.
You can strap it on and literally do whatever it is you're doing.
Yes. And so when you're looking at anti-aging, they do the little face mask. I know that there's lots of them on the market. And then I'm kind of like, if you're going to do a face mask, get the neck and décolleté also, because our décolleté and our neck, sometimes we miss until we have like the chicken neck and saggy neck. We're like, oh my gosh. But you want to increase that circulation. You want to increase that mitochondria in that cell in order to rev up that anti-aging ability of the cells. The different types of devices, you can have the panel like Saluma. I love the Saluma panels. They're going to be a more expensive home product, but they have the different toggles where you can target acne, you can target anti-aging, and you can also target pain and do it on pain management.
Yeah,
Eric, how does it work on pain management?
It's really cool because it actually, the wavelength changes a little bit in the red light to stimulate the cells within the muscle. So it actually goes deeper than the skin at that point. And it just stimulates those muscle cells to regenerate and regrow and heal the muscle up. So as you're healing up from an accident, injury, something like that, those muscle fibers need to grow back together. And it's really difficult to do if you're not getting constant care. Well, this red light therapy will help increase that.
Mm-hmm.
I say, and once again, consistency is key. Like, if you do it once or twice, you're not going to see huge results after your first one. Consistency will be doing it every day.
Consistency and having the right product.
Yeah.
Yep.
And if you will check in our product description, we have been reaching out and contacting different companies that we really approve of their products and really like their products. We know they're FDA cleared. We have double checked. We know their settings are right. They've been recommended. Bon Charge is one product that we really do recommend. If you will go into our show notes, we will have the link there. And if you put in a coupon code for Skin Babes 15, you will get 15% off of your product. And so we will also have this available in the shop. We'll give you a card that gives you the link and gives you the Skin Babes 15% off. That 15% is a lot. Check out and purchase your products from there.
Because we want you to get the best deal, too.
Yes, we want you to get the best deal, and we want you to have the best product. Because I can definitely tell when our clients have used the products or used their light therapy consistently and haven't, even if it's a red light sauna, because it just increases blood flow. It gives a pink tone to your skin. And so it just gives you more vibrant looking skin, and you know that you have charged those skin cells.
And I just want to put, like, the LED light supports your skin. It doesn't replace skincare.
Yes.
Like, and it doesn't replace treatments. Like, we gotta still do those treatments, but it will help support what we're doing and boost your results.
Everything works together.
Yeah.
Yes.
For real. All right. So LED doesn't say a bad routine, but it can elevate one. You can elevate your skincare routine very simply by just adding LED light therapy to it.
Yes. It's a support, not a treatment, not the only treatment that you use. It's in support with everything else you do.
All right, guys. Well, thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Thank y'all for hanging out with us. And we'll see y'all next week.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Guys.